Hello students, today we are going to see subject English grammar. Topic was, were, have, has, had. Students, am is, are. When we will use am is, are? Students, am is, are helping verbs, right? Let's see. First, I means myself. If I want to speak about me, on the time I will use here I. I is pronoun that you already learned in your pronoun chapter, right? We means I and other person. The person who are speaking and other person who are listening. They both are included in the word we. They both are included in the pronoun we. You means the person who are listening. Okay, you means the person who are listening. He pronoun we will use for the boy. She pronoun we will use for the girl. It pronoun we will use for the non-living thing and for animal. They pronoun we will use for the many person. Okay. Students, I. If I speak about myself, I means for one person. I is singular. And with I always come am. With I always comes am. I am. We means I plus other person. Right? Means more than one person. So we is plural. And with plural we will use here helping verb are. Okay, with plural we will use here helping verb are. You pronoun we will use for the person who are listener, whether that person is a one or many. Okay, so for the person who are listener we will use pronoun you. You. If you point out to someone, one person, singular, and if you point out to many person, plural. But students, with you always we will use are. Whether we are talking about one person or many person, we will use here helping verb are. Okay. He means one boy, singular. And with singular always use helping verb is. She means one girl, singular. For with singular always come helping verb is. It means one animal or one thing. Means singular. And with singular always come helping verb is. They means many, more than one. They is plural. And with plural always come helping verb are. So students, you have to remember am, is and are helping verb we will use for the present situation. Okay. With I always come am. With singular always come is. And with plural we will use here are. Okay. And with you always come are. I am. We are. You are. You are. He is. She is. It is. They are. Okay. For present situation we will use here helping verb am, is or are. With I always come am, with you always come are, and for singular we will use is, and for plural we will use are. Okay, let's see some example. With I always come am. When do we use am? With I. With I always come am. I am a girl. I am a teacher. I am happy. I am going to the school. I am writing a letter. So students, with I always come am. For present situation we will use here am. Okay, we can't write here is, we can't write here are. With I always come am. Okay. With he, she, it. We will use here helping verb is. He means one boy. She means one girl. It means one thing or one animal. So for singular we will use is helping verb. Okay, let's see some example. Raj is a tall boy. Here you can see Raj is one boy, and for one boy we will use is. Sita is a good girl. Here you can see Sita. Sita is one girl, and for singular we will use helping verb is. Ahmedabad is a big city. Here we are talking about Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is one city, and with singular is helping verb will come. He is rich. He means boy. For boy we will use pronoun he. One boy. And with singular we will use is. She is ill. She means one girl, right? For one girl we will use pronoun she. She is ill. For one girl we will use helping verb is. Okay, with singular we will use helping verb is. It is hot. You can see here. Here we are talking about one bowl. It is hot. Okay. Here we are talking about a bowl. For one bowl we will use here word is. Is helping verb will come. It is hot. We, you, they. We means I plus other. Many persons are there, right? They means many person. And you, with you always come are. And for more than one person we will use helping verb are. We are, you are, they are. Are is used to speak about more than one person or thing. Okay. We are good children. You are my student. Here you can see more than one children, right? So with we always come are. You are. With you always come are. You are my students. Here you can see if you talk about one person, if one person is a listener or many person are listener. With you always come are. They are talking loudly. Manoj and Suresh are brothers. Tina, Pooja and Roshni are friends. Here you can see more than one person, right? So, are is used to speak about more than one person or thing. And with you always come are. Okay? Was, were. Students, was is used for sentence which was completed in the past. Which was completed in the past. And were also used for the sentence which were completed in the past. But here we will learn when we will use was and when we will use were. Student, was is used for sentence which was completed in past, but we use was with a singular noun or pronoun. Okay? And were we will use for the plural noun or pronoun. I means one person, singular. So with I always come was. We means more than one, plural. So with we will use pronoun were. You singular or plural, we will use were. With you always come were. Okay? He means one boy, singular. So with he we will use was. She means one girl, singular. So with she we will use helping verb was. It means one thing or one animal. It's a singular. So with it we will use was. They means more than one. It's a plural. So with they we will use were. So students, with I we will use was. We were. You were. You were. He was. She was. It was. They were. For present situation, we have used is and are. But for the past situation, we will use was or were. Okay? Was and were we will use for the sentence which were completed in past. I, he, she, it. With I, he, she, it, we will use helping verb was. Okay? Was is used for the sentence which was completed in the past, And we use was with singular noun or pronoun. Right? I means me. I am one person. He means one boy. She means one girl. It means one animal or one thing. So with singular we will use was. Okay? Let's see some example. I was late. With I always we will use was. He was slow in writing. He means one boy. So we will use was. She was not feel well on Sunday. She was not feel well on Sunday. She means one girl. So we will use here was. Last year I was in class 1. With I always use was. It was a rainy day yesterday. It means one animal or one thing. So we will use was with it. Okay, with singular we will use was. Shilpa was dancing in last function. Shilpa is a one girl, so we will use was. We, you, they plus were. With we will use were. We were, you were, they were. Okay, with plural we will use were. Were is used for more than one. Okay, and with you for one person or for many person we will use always were. We were friends. Here you can see more than one boy is there. So we have used here word or pronoun we. So with we will use were. You were dancing on last Sunday. With you always use were. They were playing in the park yesterday. You can see more than one person. So here we have used pronoun they, and with they we will use were. Ritu and Roshni were absent yesterday. More than one girl is there, right? More than one girl means here you can see two girls are there. So we have used here helping verb were. They were at the zoo yesterday. With they always use were. So students, for plural we will use were, and with you always come were. Have, has. Have, has tell us what the subjects own or have. Have and has words shows the possession. Has is used to talk about one person, and have is used to talk about more than one person. Means students, we use has with singular noun and pronoun, and we use have with plural noun and pronoun. Okay, have and has tell us what the subjects own or have. It shows the possession. I, with I always come have. Okay, with I always come have. We means plural. So with we will use have. You, whether it is singular or plural, with you we will use have. He, singular. So with he we will use has. She means singular. So with she we will use has. It is singular. So with it we will use has. They, plural. So with they we will use have. I, have. We have. You have. He has. She has. It has. They have. So students, remember, with I always come have. With you always come have. With plural we will use have, and with singular we will use has. Okay. He, she, eat plus has. With singular we will use has. He has 2 chocolates. Who has chocolates? He has 2 chocolates, right? Means has shows the possession of chocolates. And he is singular, so we will use here has. She has a pet cat named Toto. She is a singular, so we will use has. A year has 12 months. A year is a singular, so we will use has. A cat has 4 legs. A cat is 1, so we will use here has. Priya has long hair. Priya is a 1 girl, so we will use has. Rohan has red car. Rohan is 1 boy, so we will use here has. I, we, you, they. With I, we, you and they we will use have. I have a laptop. We have bats. You have a big shop of clothes. They have a big house. You have 2 cars. So students, here have and has word shows the possession. Here you can see possession of laptop, possession of bats, possession of clothes, possession of big house, possession of 2 cars. Okay, with I always we will use have. With you always we will use have, and with plural we will use have. Okay. Now had. Students, had also tells us what the subjects own or have. But had is the past form of both has and have. Am is are for the present situation, was and were for the past situation, right? Have and has and had. Have, has and had shows the possession, right? But in that, have and has used for the present situation of possession. Okay. So had will come with all, means I had, we had, you had, he had, she had, it had, they had. Okay. Had is the past form of both have and has. Yesterday, Raman was absent as he had fever. Rajat had 2 balloons yesterday. Here you can see it is a past. Yesterday. So that is why we have used here had. Here we can see the possession of balloons. And that one is not in present. That possession was in past. So we have used here had. Parul had 3 cars last year. Right? Last year. It's not in present. Here we can see the possession of cars. But it is not in present, it is last year. It is in last year. It's in the past. So that is why we have used here had. I had to take care of her baby. They had 2 adopted children. Okay, had is also possession, but it is used for the past. It is a past form of have and has. It shows the possession, but it is past form of have and has.